we go. We got Tammy in a trade. She got the calls. The close was 650. Her entry is 6 what? 95? And basically on the 3-minute chart, when we were up above the 10-minute period moving average and it was rising, she got down there at the low. She's not losing money, but just let me show people that 10-minute period moving average on a 3 was part of her criteria. And she could take profits by executing at any time. Now, they're 20 pennies wide. How do you work them if it looks like that 200 minutes not going to go above here? They're 750 by 760. What she would do here, and I'm showing this, is that she would hit sell 760 if she wanted out. And she could sell and make them eat crow. If this thing doesn't continue to stay above there, she can make them eat crow, because once again, she was not retail on the $500 Google call. And I'm sorry, because she's wholesale. So because of being wholesale and doing what she's learning, that gives her the ability to have confidence in herself, but more importantly is the confidence is in what she's learning. Never traded before, and the free people in the trial, this would be a good person. She got there, she confirmed it, got above the 10-minute period moving average. There was a shakedown. Here is where that 10-minute right over here started going up with the move. And as long as we can continue rising here, she will bank her profits no matter what. And when she got in it, there's a 3-minute buy signal here. And the call is treating her quite nice. On execution of it, though, if we were to fail, which it doesn't look like it wants to, but let's say we did, 760 by 780, you just put this out here, throw that sell out right in the middle of that, and hold it, be out there for like 3 seconds. Go 1, 2, and 3. But we're not failing in the move, whoever made that comment. You got to start to fail the move to sell that, sir. And you would, instead of sitting there, because if you fail, they'll walk away from the bid and you would have to be forced, meaning you can make these people eat your order. If I don't continue to break out here, I will make them eat crow. And I will shove my beautiful entry right down their pipe. Get my drift? And that's exactly what I'll do. But right now, I've got a 3-minute bar. Let's pull this out of the way. Here, we have a 3-minute bar. Let's take a look. Oh, welcome to StockMarketPenny.com, by the way, home to every market maker. Here you go. This is it. I'm 90% overbought. She needs to be aware of when and where I'm going to take profit. And they're 30 cents wide. So I'm going to tell her, because we're so overbought on the 3-minute, that she could take her profit and bid back in again and throw that order out there at 780 right now and make a dollar move by executing this very contract right now. And see, 770, you don't put the limit order out in front of 790, you will not get hit. Okay, and the longer you take, you are dealing with market professionals in here on the bid and ask. Now come off of it and throw it back again. You got to do it faster. You already have it queued up. Put the sell order out there. Okay? You can't take time. It doesn't take 10 seconds to do that. Now come off of it. Okay. You got to work that. And for inexperienced people, I move markets in these options. And basically, people followed her, and she should be coming off the order to see what the rest of the crowd is. And I'm going to tell her to dump 770 right now. Sell 770. And she's gone with her profit. And the reason why, whether you like it or not, that this hit 94.30. I know I'm overbought, and I'm going to ring my register, and I'm going to go back now because I know I'm so overbought here on that 3-minute that, and here's the price action on Google, and the markets are working in our favor. However, during this very moment, I'm going to sell into the strength, and I did, and she's out. And the thing about it is, when I teach people how to work the bid and ask on this thing, that's got to be lightning fast. Because what you're trying to do is persuade everyone's emotions around the damn United States that are involved in these exchanges with the bid and ask and market makers on the floor. And do I make myself clear? Okay? And the thing about it is, she can bid the same contract right here at $6.60 again. Because we are overbought, we will come down. If you don't think so, too bad for you. This count was at 91.61 on a percent DS, means that we're overbought in that cycle. Tammy took her profits, and guess what? She can buy again when we get the pullback cycle and get another entry right here. Welcome to stockmarketpunting.com. Everyone qualifies regardless of experience. 5-day free trial to get started. It's all right here. And guess what? All trades will be guided by our SMF certified instructors. Maybe one day you'll become one. Start trading a $50,000 account at no risk to you. How do you like that? Someone will stand behind you. SMF will provide you with trading capital. It's a true story. Everyone qualifies. Tammy never had no experience when she came here, but she just took that contract right off of that swing low and sold into it at 770 over here. Based on being overbought, and then we'll update you later.